Warning: please read the warning we make in the More Information section of our channel. We aren't responsible for the information herein. Mix these 3 ingredients and get rid of body odor instantly. In brief moments, a written explanation. Currently in the market there are a lot of deodorants that help us fight the sweat, but there really are some that do not meet all our expectations. In addition, few know that antiperspirants contain a substance that clogs the sweat glands, disrupting their normal functioning. A good option is to create your own natural deodorant, which is not too complicated to prepare and has the same functions as the deodorant, so pay attention that we tell you what materials you need to buy and how to prepare it. Watch out! How to prepare a natural deodorant. Ingredients: 25 grams of baking soda, 15 grams of cornstarch, 30 grams of coconut oil. Essential oils. Preparation method: 1. First, mix the proper amount of sodium and starch. Since ancient times, soda has been considered as the best remedy to deal with the sweat odor as it creates an alkaline environment that kills bacteria. Starch quickly absorbs moisture, so the armpits will always be dry. 2. Add the coconut oil, which melts at 24 degrees, so when the deodorant is applied to the skin, it will melt slightly and cause a good slip. 3. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Just remember that the smell will feel all day, so you should choose a pleasant smell for you. 4. Place the resulting dough in a deodorant container. This mixture should be stored in the refrigerator. This deodorant, handmade, is harmless and does not affect the natural processes in the body. Of course, you have to get used to it, but the result will be pleasantly surprising. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.